living solo doesn't mean doing everything the hard way. These incredible Amazon gadgets are designed to make everyday tasks easier, safer, and more comfortable for seniors living on their own. From clever helpers in the kitchen to smart solutions around the house, these picks bring peace of mind and convenience. All products are linked in the description below. Getting up from your favorite chair doesn't have to be a struggle. This clever tray table doubles as a sturdy stand assist handle, giving you the extra support you need to sit or stand safely. The bamboo tabletop swivels out of the way when not in use and even has a built-in cup holder for convenience. It's fully adjustable to fit most recliners and couches. A smart blend of comfort, independence, and everyday function. A sore knee or stiff shoulder can ruin your day. This heated massager wraps around your joints and delivers soothing warmth paired with gentle vibrations. You can strap it to your knees, elbows, or even shoulders for targeted relief. It's cordless and rechargeable, so you can move freely while it works its magic. With adjustable heat and massage modes, you control exactly how much comfort you need. Getting dressed doesn't have to be frustrating. This clever little tool helps you fasten buttons and pull zippers with just one hand. The soft grip handle makes it easy to hold, while the slim steel loop slides smoothly through buttonholes without snagging fabric. It's a lifesaver for anyone with limited hand strength or arthritis. Small enough to carry anywhere, it makes independence in dressing simple again. Climbing stairs can feel daunting, but this stair assist cane makes each step safer and easier. Its sturdy quad base gives you solid balance, while the built-in half-step platform helps you handle higher steps with confidence. The handle height adjusts to match your comfort, so it works for users of different sizes. Strong metal construction provides reliable support. Simple to set up, it's a smart way to regain mobility and independence. Stubborn bottle caps and pull tabs don't stand a chance. This handy opener gives you the grip and leverage to pop lids, twist off caps, and lift can tabs with almost no effort. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and perfect for anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Keep one in the kitchen and one in your bag for on-the-go use. Simple, durable, and a real independence booster. Step into the shower with extra confidence. This suction cup grab bar sticks securely to smooth, flat surfaces like tile or glass, giving you a steady handhold where you need it most. No tools are required, just flip the latches to lock it in place. The textured grip feels comfortable and secure, even when wet. Portable and easy to move, it's a simple way to make any bathroom safer. Why bend or stretch when you can extend your reach with ease? This grabber tool lets you pick up coins, envelopes, or even trash without straining. Its rotating head adjusts to grab from different angles, and the lightweight design makes it easy to use for long periods. The foldable frame tucks away neatly when not needed. With a simple squeeze of the handle, hard-to-reach items are instantly in your grasp. Putting on shoes doesn't have to mean bending and struggling. This extra-long shoehorn helps you slide into sneakers, boots, or dress shoes while standing tall. The large, easy-grip handle makes it comfortable to use, and the smooth edges protect your shoes and socks. It even doubles as a sock remover, saving you from awkward twists. Durable yet lightweight, it folds in half for easy travel or storage. Checking a fever shouldn't be a hassle. This digital forehead thermometer gives you an accurate reading in just 1 second without ever touching the skin. A bright LED screen makes results easy to read, even in the dark. Color-coded alerts and gentle beeps tell you instantly if the temperature is normal or high. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for babies, kids, and adults, at home or on the go. For anyone who struggles to keep track of time, this digital calendar clock makes it crystal clear. The large display spells out the day, date, and time without abbreviations, so there's no second guessing. It automatically dims at night, can be set with reminders for meals, medicine, or appointments, and even supports multiple languages. Simple to use and easy to see, it's a thoughtful tool for daily independence. Long day at work? This Shiatsu Massager is like having your own personal spa right at home. The deep kneading nodes work into tight muscles, melting away soreness in your neck, back, and shoulders. Add soothing heat, and it helps boost circulation while easing tension even faster. You can adjust speed and direction to suit your mood, and with both home and car adapters, you can enjoy total relaxation anywhere you go. Getting in and out of a car doesn't have to feel like a struggle. This clever support handle gives you a sturdy grip every time you open the door. The soft, cushioned grip feels comfortable in your hand, making it easy to steady yourself without strain. It even doubles as an emergency tool with a seatbelt cutter and window breaker built right in. Compact enough to tuck in your glove box, it's always ready when you need it. Climbing in and out of bed can feel tricky, but this sturdy grab bar makes it safe and simple. The strong steel frame gives you reliable support, while non-slip feet keep it steady on the floor. You can adjust the height to fit any bed, and glow-in-the-dark accents help you find it easily at night. A side pocket keeps glasses, books, or remotes right within reach. It's practical comfort and peace of mind in one. Your hands deserve a break too. This cordless hand massager gently squeezes and kneads your palms, fingers, and wrists, melting away stiffness and tension. Add soothing heat, and it's perfect for easing sore joints or warming cold hands. With adjustable modes and intensities, you control how light or deep the relief feels. Compact and rechargeable, it's easy to use at home, at work, or even on the go. Sometimes you just need the right support to truly relax. This Wedge Pillow set adjusts into different positions to help you sit up, recline, or elevate your legs comfortably. It's great for easing back pain, acid reflux, or even just propping yourself up with a book. The memory foam molds to your body while staying firm enough to support you. With washable covers and a foldable design, it's easy to keep clean and store away. Trimming nails doesn't have to feel awkward anymore. This clever clipper has a blade that rotates 360 degrees, letting you find the perfect angle every time. The wide, easy grip handles make it simple to hold steady, even if your hands aren't as flexible as they used to be. Sharp stainless steel blades give you a clean, precise cut in seconds. Lightweight and compact, it's an everyday essential you'll actually enjoy using. Bath time doesn't have to be stressful or risky. This transfer bench makes moving in and out of the tub simple and secure. Just sit, slide, and you're safely in place without straining yourself or a caregiver. The sturdy frame, non-slip feet, and safety belt give you steady support every step of the way. With adjustable height and easy tool-free setup, it's a smart solution for safer, more comfortable showers. Putting on socks doesn't have to be a daily challenge. This sock aid lets you slip them on without bending, twisting, or asking for help. Just slide the sock over the contoured shell, drop it to the floor, and pull the foam handles. Your foot glides right in. The non-slip grip keeps everything in place so it's smooth and hassle-free. Lightweight and easy to use, it brings back independence in seconds. No more twisting and stretching just to reach your back. This 3-in-1 lotion applicator makes it easy to apply creams, sunscreen, or ointments exactly where you need them. With a long, curved handle and rotating head, it glides smoothly over hard-to-reach spots. The soft pads are gentle on skin, while the built-in massage feature adds a soothing touch. Durable, foldable, and easy to clean, it's a handy tool for daily care and relaxation. After a long day on your feet, there's nothing better than sinking into a massage that feels like it came straight from a spa. This foot massager combines deep kneading, air compression, and optional heat to melt away soreness and stiffness. With multiple intensity levels and a handy remote, you can customize your session without moving an inch. A perfect way to relax, recharge, and give your feet the care they deserve. A chair that helps you stand up with ease? That's exactly what this powerlift recliner is made for. With the push of a button, it gently tilts forward so you can get up without straining your back or knees. You also get massage and heat functions built right in, perfect for melting away tension. Cup holders, side pockets, and USB ports keep your essentials close. Comfort, convenience, and relaxation, all in one seat. Who says workouts need to be tough on your body? This compact underdesk elliptical lets you move your legs while sitting, making exercise feel effortless. You can pedal forward or backward and choose between manual speeds or automatic programs depending on your mood. It's whisper quiet, so you won't disturb anyone around you. With a remote control and display to track your progress, staying active has never been this easy. Climbing stairs doesn't have to feel impossible. This powered stair chair makes moving up and down straight staircases safe and manageable. With simple button controls, it moves slowly and steadily, giving peace of mind to both users and caregivers. The sturdy frame supports heavy weight while padded seating keeps things comfortable. Best of all, it folds compactly for easy storage or transport when not in use. Getting up from the floor on your own can feel impossible, but not with this electric chairlift. It gently raises you to a standing position, giving independence back without straining caregivers. Safety is built in with a non-slip base, strong motor, and an emergency stop button for peace of mind. You can stop at any height to transition safely to a chair, sofa, or bed. Simple, supportive, and confidence boosting. Imagine a walker that does more than just support you, it powers you forward. This 4-in-1 rollator and wheelchair combo adapts to your pace, giving an assist when you need it and resistance when you're training. Safety features like auto brakes and steering assist keep every ride steady, even on slopes. You can push, ride, or control it with a joystick for extra convenience. Lightweight, foldable, and powerful, it's freedom on wheels.